expand this logarithmic expression by applying logarithmic properties. So we have a log b x squared times y square root of y. So to expand this one here, we already see that we apply here a product rule. So is a log base b of x squared plus log base b of square root of y. And now here we apply in a product power rule. So here is a 2 log base b of x plus log base b of a y in exponent 1.5. So this radical we can write in the exponential fraction. And just let me do the last step. Log b of x is a plus this 1.5. We are applying the power property. And it goes 1 over 2 log base b of y. So we are done with example 1. And now we are going to this second example here. Let me write the different color. So log base 6 of, we are applying the quotient rule, which is happen to be here cubic of x. Here is a minus. When we apply the quotient rule, it is going to be the minus sign, and is a log base 6 of 36 times by 4. But here we have the product rule. So now let me write here log base 6 of x. We can write in the fraction exponent. Here is a minus. Let me put here the parenthesis because I'm using here the product rule. Log base 6 of 36 plus log 6 of a y in a 4. But y in a 4, this is going to be here in the front. And let me do one step here in everything. Log base 6, and here 1/3 we apply this power rule is going in the front, 1/3 log base 6 of x. And here is a minus. I'm distributing here the minus inside. Is going to be log 6 of 36. Okay, and this is log 6 of 36. In fact, I can write equal with 2 because 6 squared is equal with 2 if we are writing in exponential form. But let's write in this form, in form of the logs. And here is a negative because positive times negative is negative. And this 4 gets in the front here, the power rule we are applying, and is a log base 6 of y. So now we are going in the next example. So with this one we are done. I think it's good. And here we are condense each logarithmic expression by applying the logarithmic properties. We are doing the opposite what we do in these two examples. So now here we are applying first the power rule. To apply the power rule here, 1.5 goes here in the exponent. So and a log, this is a common log. If we have common log, we can write here base 10. Is with the base 10, we already know. And is an exponent 1.5. And is a plus log of x minus 1 in a power 4. And now because this is a product, we can condense this. So log is with the base 10. And this x in 1.5, let me write here one extra step, okay? Plus log x minus 1, common log. And now common log here is equal with the product property we apply here. So is the square of x times x minus 1 in exponent 4. So we are done with this example. So let's go to the fourth one, to the next. So here again we apply the power rule. So we have a log base b of x in exponent 4. Here is a minus a log base b of x 6 in exponent square. And here is a minus log b in exponent y in a half. And now here let's write this log b in exponent x in a 4. Here is a minus, and let's write for both of them. I can write as a product. I can take one, I can factor one minus here. And these two, let me write these two here. So log base b of 6 square and is a plus, this is a log base b of a y. But this one here, we can write together in this form, log base b of x in a 4, and is a minus log base b of, this is going to be the multiplication, so 6 squared times square root of y. And finally, we can write a log base b, because now we're applying the quotient rule, log base b of, let me erase because it doesn't look very good, this one here. Okay. So we can write now finally log base b of x in a 4. So we can write here, and the quotient here we can write 6 squared times square root of y. Then we are done.